Hi, I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Today we're going to continue our series on the Dell PowerEdge R830 server. In this video, we're going to show you how to install the processor expansion module or the expansion motherboard. Let's get going. Hey, thanks for stopping by today to learn a little bit more about the Dell PowerEdge R830 server. Do us a favor, if you find anything that helps you in this video, click that like, smash that subscribe. All right, so let's hop in. This video is going to be showing you step-by-step instructions on how to install the extra motherboard, or some people call it the PIMM, the processor expansion module. Sometimes you'll see it listed as the expansion motherboard. But either way, if you want to go from 2 CPUs to 4 CPUs with the R830 and you want to go from 24 modules to 48 modules, you're going to need the PIMM. So what we're going to do is show you how to install that. And it's really pretty simple. A lot easier than I thought it was going to be quite honest. Dell definitely did a good job on the engineering to be able to have 2 motherboards within a 2U. Now, one motherboard would have been better, to be honest, right? You know, one motherboard with four sockets, but this was definitely a creative workaround. And so yeah, let's hop into the fun stuff. We'll show you how to install right now, but I'm going to grab my ESD gear and be right back.
Hey, this is Mason with Cloud Ninjas, and today I'll be showing you guys how to install your processor expansion module into your Dell PowerEdge R830 server. As you can see, we have our processor expansion module here, and that is all you will need. So let's go ahead and set it to the side, pop our latch, and lift our top just like any other server you've been in before. So first thing you'll note when you're looking into the server is that there is a air baffle that is located right here. So you'll actually need to remove that air baffle in order to install the processor expansion module. So just simply lift it up, and then we'll go ahead and set it to the side. Alright, so the next thing you'll need to do is you'll need to actually open up the port so that way the processor expansion module can connect to the main motherboard, which is located here. So we're just going to go ahead and grab this plastic tab that's covering it and just lift straight up. So all we need to do now is actually set the processor expansion module in over the CPU and DIMMs that are on the main motherboard. And we're going to make sure that the connector is actually connecting to the port that it needs to connect to. And so as you're doing that, it'll just go all the way down. And then once it's locked in, you'll just go ahead and push this metal bar down, sort of like a hinge, and then there you go. That is how you install your processor expansion module into your Dell PowerEdge R830 server. Hey, do us a favor, click that like button and smash subscribe. If you're looking for any custom built Dell, HPE, Supermicro, a Gigabyte, maybe you're looking for an AMD server or a GPU server, we do it all. We have both new and refurbished. So please give us a call or email us at sales@cloudninjas.com. That's sales@cloudninjas.com. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by.